See a lot of familiar faces in the audience. Thanks for coming to my talk. For folks who don't know me, I'm Vinesh Sukumar. I lead the AI product team at Qualcomm. Basically, my job in simple English is to dream blue skies and then hog the engineering teams to translate that vision into executable solutions in simple plain English. So let's start off with the foundational statement. At Qualcomm, we truly believe that inferencing needs to happen closest to the data source. This, by no means, does not push cloud-based inferencing, but supplement more towards cloud-based inferencing. And historically, when you look at why edge-based inferencing, it was for the same reasons everybody is well aware of the fact, for privacy, low latency, reliability, and obviously efficient use of network bandwidth. But what is happening quite recently is you're seeing an increased demand for personalization. This is becoming quite imperative in generative AI space, especially in the context of language mission and language models, or LLMs or LVMs. Why? Because people want to understand more about the user so that they can put that intelligence into prompt-based engineering so that the output context that kind of comes out is much more meaningful to the user. And all of this is possible if you're able to do most of these inferencing closest to the data acquisition point. And as such, we strongly believe edge-based inferencing is much more important and is drastically shifting, given that a lot of user experiences is being now asked to drive personalization.